recording audio. It says hello. So this is how you're gonna charge up your AC on semi truck. I already hooked up the AC, but I will show you. First, put the AC on a high all the way to the cold. Turn on the AC. See where it says, make sure that is on, AC green, and then put it high. Put it like a high when you first start it, all the way, or you just put it in the middle like that. And then how you can locate the AC port. This is a Volvo semi, but all of them, most of them located in the same area. And this is a high pressure point. That's a low pressure point. I think so. See that right there? That's how you open it up. Shake it very well. Shake it very well and put it on. It's already empty. It's already empty because it's been on for a while. But it will work. So that's a low pressure point. And make sure you hook it to that one. Kind of look around and see where it's located, and that's right there.